Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to make YouTube banners on your Android device. So it's very easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can make the YouTube banner on your Android device by several ways. You can use a third party app, and you can download third party app that allows you to create a YouTube banner on your Android device, and some popular options include Canva, Adobe and Lightex. And after downloading the app, select the YouTube banner template and customize it with your own images, text and graphics. I recommend you to use Canva for that purpose because it's very useful. Let's go here on the Google Play Store, on the Google, and here search for the Canva. You can see free templates. Tap right here, and now you can use your own templates which you want to use, and then you will be able to add the text on your selected template. So this is how you can easily use your Canva application on your Android device. And hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.